Are everyday tasks like getting up from a low chair suddenly feeling much harder than before? Do you find yourself hesitating at the foot of a staircase, choosing the elevator instead? For millions of adults, this subtle decline isn't just in your head, it's a physiological reality. Doctors have an official medical term for this progressive loss of strength: sarcopenia. Sarcopenia is the gradual, age-related loss of muscle mass, strength, and overall physical function. It sneaks up quietly, causing unexplained fatigue, weakness, and increasing the risk of serious falls. But what if reversing muscle aging didn't require grueling hours at a commercial gym? What if you could protect your body with a simple, lazy living room workout requiring only minutes? Today, we reveal doctor-recommended resistance moves designed to turn back your biological muscle clock. We will also uncover the single key nutrient that fuels this transformation at a cellular level. Think of this as your personal blueprint for lifelong strength, mobility, and complete independence. Let's talk about the real stakes. This isn't about vanity or chasing six-pack abs in your 50s. It is about functional freedom, having the strength to carry your own heavy groceries with ease. It's about getting down on the floor to play with your grandchildren and standing back up confidently. Skeletal muscle acts as your body's primary engine for longevity and metabolic health. Muscle decline often begins quietly in our 30s, progressing at a rate of 3 to 8% per decade. After age 60, this loss can accelerate dramatically due to reduced activity or minor illnesses. This happens because aging muscles become less efficient at synthesizing protein into new fibers. Hormonal shifts and a natural reduction in fast-twitch muscle fibers further compound the problem. For decades, people assumed this physical decline was an unavoidable consequence of aging. Modern sports science reveals a far more hopeful truth. Muscle tissue remains highly adaptable. With the correct mechanical stimulus and chemical fuel, you can actively rebuild lost muscle tissue. Defeating sarcopenia comes down to an elegant two-part formula: signal and supply. First, you must send a clear mechanical signal to your muscle fibers that they are needed. This signal is generated through resistance exercise, stressing the muscle against a force. You don't need heavy barbells or complex gym machinery. Your body weight is completely sufficient. A simple elastic band or body weight movement sends a direct wake-up call to idle muscle fibers. The cellular message is clear. We need to stay strong, rebuild, and maintain structure here. However, sending a signal without providing structural raw materials achieves very little. That is where the supply component becomes indispensable for cellular repair and growth. Protein provides the essential amino acid building blocks required to repair stimulated muscle fibers. Combining targeted mechanical signals with optimal protein supply creates an unbeatable anti-aging synergy. Let's examine the lazy workout routine, 4 straightforward moves you can perform at home. This routine requires zero expensive equipment, only a sturdy chair and a positive attitude. Consistency is key. Aim for 2 to 3 short sessions per week on non-consecutive days. Move number 1 is the chair squat, the ultimate functional movement for daily vitality. The chair squat directly reinforces your ability to stand up from chairs, cars, and low seats. It targets your quadriceps, glutes, and hamstrings, while protecting knee and hip joints. To perform it, stand in front of a solid chair with feet placed shoulder-width apart. Keep your chest upright and core tight as you push your hips back toward the chair. Lower your body in a slow, controlled motion until your thighs lightly touch the seat. Press firmly through your heels and squeeze your glutes as you return to a standing position. Beginners should aim for 8 to 12 controlled repetitions per set. If a full squat feels challenging, perform a full sit-to-stand, resting briefly on the seat. Use the chair armrests for light assistance, gradually relying less on your arms over time. Move number 2 is the wall push-up, an accessible upper body strengthening exercise. This exercise builds strength in your chest, front shoulders, and triceps without joint strain. Upper body strength helps you open heavy doors, lift overhead items, and push off surfaces. Stand facing a wall at arm's length, placing palms flat, slightly wider than shoulder width. Maintain a straight line from head to heels as you bend your elbows toward the wall. Pause briefly when your chest approaches the wall, then push smoothly back to the start. Aim for 8 to 12 smooth repetitions while maintaining steady nasal breathing. To make it easier, step closer to the wall. To increase difficulty, step further back. Move number 3 is the resistance band row, essential for pulling power and spine health. Modern daily life causes forward slouching. Rows act as the ultimate antidote for bad posture. It strengthens upper back muscles like the rhomboids and lats to keep your shoulders aligned. Sit upright in a chair, loop an elastic resistance band around your foot soles and grab the handles. Keeping your spine long, pull the band toward your rib cage while squeezing your shoulder blades. Imagine pinching a pencil between your shoulder blades at the peak of the contraction. Pause for a second, then slowly extend your arms back to the starting position under control. Perform 10 to 15 controlled repetitions, focusing entirely on back muscle engagement. If you lack a band, perform the motion without resistance, squeezing your back muscles tightly. Move number 4 combines the standing calf raise with a single leg balance hold. Lower leg strength and ankle stability are your primary internal defense against accidental falls. Stand behind a sturdy chair, holding the backrest lightly with both hands for balance. Slowly elevate your heels high off the floor, pressing up onto the balls of your feet. Feel a strong contraction in your calf muscles at the top before lowering slowly back down. Complete 10 to 15 repetitions before transitioning immediately into the balance portion. Lift one foot slightly off the floor and balance on a single leg for 20 to 30 seconds. Switch to the opposite leg, training the small stabilizing muscles of your ankles and hips. As your nervous system adapts, reduce your hand pressure on the chair to build balance. To continue making progress, apply the principle of progressive overload over time. Once target reps feel easy, add 2 extra repetitions or include a second set after rest. This gradual increase in demand ensures your muscles receive a continuous signal to grow. Now let's explore the second half of the equation, fueling your newly stimulated muscle tissue. Performing workouts without sufficient protein is like attempting to build a house without bricks. Exercise creates the repair signal, but dietary protein provides the physical building materials. As we age, our tissue experiences a phenomenon known medically as anabolic resistance. Anabolic resistance means aging muscles require higher concentrations of amino acids to trigger synthesis. Consequently, older adults actually need more protein per pound of body weight than younger adults. The traditional recommended daily allowance of 0.8 grams per kilogram is outdated. Leading clinical nutrition research groups recommend 1.0 to 1.2 grams per kilogram. For a person weighing 150 pounds or 68 kilograms, this equals 68 to 82 grams daily. If you suffer from chronic illness or severe muscle loss, protein needs may be even higher. Beyond total daily intake, the timing and distribution of protein intake across meals matters greatly. To overcome anabolic resistance, each main meal should contain roughly 25 to 30 grams of protein. Spreading protein evenly across breakfast, lunch, and dinner maximizes muscle protein synthesis. Let's visualize what a single 25 to 30 gram serving of high-quality protein looks like. A 4-ounce cooked fillet of wild salmon or skinless chicken breast provides roughly 30 grams. 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt paired with a handful of almonds delivers a clean 25 grams. A standard 5-ounce can of light tuna packed in water contains approximately 30 grams. A single scoop of whey or plant-based protein powder mixed in liquid provides 25 grams. You don't need to obsessively track every gram, but rather practice conscious nutritional choices. Evaluate your morning meal. Is it high in refined carbohydrates like plain toast or cereal? Adding 2 large eggs or a bowl of Greek yogurt immediately transforms your breakfast quality. This small morning adjustment activates muscle protein synthesis right at the start of your day. Reversing muscle aging is not an impossible biological mystery. It is a conscious daily choice. You choose to send the mechanical signal through brief, consistent, targeted resistance movements. And you choose to supply the raw material through protein-rich, nutrient-dense daily meals. This journey is not about bodybuilding or achieving an athletic aesthetic for public approval. It is about protecting your functional independence, mobility, and confidence in daily living. It is about enjoying life with energy, knowing your body can support whatever you wish to do. Start today with tiny, effortless habits integrated into your existing daily routine. Perform 3 chair squats while waiting for your morning coffee or tea to brew. Do 5 wall push-ups during commercial breaks while watching your favorite evening show. These micro movements accumulate into powerful biological adaptations over weeks and months. Remember that long-term consistency always triumphs over brief bursts of intense effort. Taking small action today builds a foundation for strength and vitality for decades to come. Which of these 4 lazy exercises will you incorporate into your routine starting today? Let us know in the comments section below. We love hearing about your personal health goals. If you found this evidence-based health guide valuable, please tap the like button right now. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss science-backed health insights. Your journey back to lasting strength begins with a single simple movement. Start right now.